So, morning, Tuesday morning, leaving the Gare after three great days, meeting new friends. The last night was a bit windy, so we're moving on to new pastures. We're going to go down south a bit further, aren't we? We're going to try that way. We're going to drive down the coast towards Scarborough way. So, see what happens today. See if I can pick these things up, because we're heading towards Saltburn on Sea, aren't we? That's like the little, what's it called? Like a funicular train for is it summer? Yeah. So we're heading down to Saltburn today, aren't we, dear? I remember this road, it was like really steep coming up. Look at that going down! It's a bit scary. Sugar. Look at that at the bottom. Oh my goodness. That's a tight corner, isn't it?
On the pier, look.
I wouldn't like to be out there today. We had a brilliant time last time, wasn't it? Nice and sunny. Look at the waves. It's a bit windy. Look at those waves. Good God. Bit rough in it this morning.
Ways that we've only gone one direction, you see stuff differently, don't you? Look at boys and birds, look, did we see that one?
Might have done. It's alright, I've turned it round. So, what am I looking at? Approximately 1 mile offshore from this point lies the site of the 13th century church of St Mary the Virgin, lost to erosion by the mid 15th century. So we'll show you out to sea. It's a little bit rough. Out by the wind farms there is a little building. We'll try and zoom in, see if we can see it on the P900. Sun shining on the big waves out there. A bit wild today. Not too cold though. There's Kev and the dogs. Heading back to the motorhome now. So we've stopped over for fish and chips. They look alright, don't they? Bridlington, and got batter bits as well, curry sauce. Little sausage over there for the dogs. Delilah's waiting. Charlie's waiting. Dolly's waiting.
Knaus Sun Ti. That's solar.
So we've stopped off for a bit of lunch. We've stopped under the Humber Bridge. We're doing a bit of road work. The car parks are closed, but this big one is still open. People have had no problem saying it was left open all night. We're just parked there. Lovely windmill. Bit of a busy road to the back. Just take you for a walk around it. There's a country park nature reserve. Looks like some of the stones from out of the mill. It was a chalk mill. Just a little information board about the mill. There it is. It was designed to crush chalk from the nearby quarry, which now forms the Humber Bridge Country Park. Information board about the Humber Bridge. It was first started in 1972 and the construction took 8 years to complete. The first lot of traffic crossed the bridge on the 24th of June 1981 and it's now been given a Grade 1 listed status.